Let's talk about Cassava Network app as a gateway to earning extra income online. In the previous video that I did, you guys made that video pop off, which is at 9,000 views, which is not normal in my channel, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you who has engaged to that video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it up or in the description so that you can catch up with us. But again, when it comes to making money online, I always do my best, I always do my research. So in this video, I'll answer specific questions related to that previous video when it comes to Cassava Network app. You can use their websites, you can use their apps, and they have different updates right now. They have different leagues, different events, and then the withdrawal process is also available within the platform, which I'm also going to share within this video. If that is something that you've always been waiting for, I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for the withdrawal process, then stay tuned till the end of this video because I'm gonna spill all the tea. I'm gonna tell you how you can actually get into the events and win and actually get your money in dollars. If that is something that interests you, make sure you like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that whenever I upload next videos, you do not get to miss any of them. Before we go further, I have a direct link to the website, to the app. You can get it down in the description because it has a discount code. It has bonuses for you guys. For those of you who are going to enter and to use that app for the very first time, you're gonna get the bonus. And if you've already registered and signed up within the platform, there are some newbie tasks that you need to partake in order to be able to even withdraw within the platform. The newbie tasks that are available on the platform right now is to connect your Twitter account and also to like their posts and their content on Twitter. And make sure you go through the newbie tasks because you cannot do any of these things without completing the Twitter thing. So make sure you do it. If you're already registered, please go back and do the newbie tasks so that you can be able to unveil other features within the platform. Okay, that is just a bonus tip for you guys when it comes to the beginning of this video. I wanted to put that out there, and thanks to all of you who used the link in the description because we got over 400 of you guys, 400 to register. Okay, let's get into it. The main role of Cassava Network app is to develop Web3 within Africa. If you take advantage of the available technology, it will set you apart from competitors, from other people, and your finances will be more advanced. An example here in Kenya, we know that we are far much away from the dollar. $1 is 154 Kenya shillings. Right now, as I'm speaking, we are almost at 200. And let me tell you guys, if you earn in dollars, imagine how much you'll be accumulating within the dollar account or within the trust wallet that you have online. Having your money in dollars will help you to have more money in the future because the dollar is going upward and Kenya shilling is just dwindling. If you keep your money in dollars and you keep it in your trust wallet, it will help you. So Cassava Network is one of the Web3 platforms that enables you to accumulate money or make money within their platform and get the money in dollars. And you can have them within your Web3 platforms, which is the trust wallet and all of that. That is why it is essential to get into Cassava Network right now because for now they are still free. The app is still free. The website is still free because I'm very sure in the coming future, everything is gonna change. So these platforms that you see are going to become paid platforms, and if you get into it right now, there's no way you're gonna get out. When it comes to Cassava Network, there are newbie tasks that need to be completed that I've already talked about, and again there are other tasks within the app that will help you to accumulate the CB coins within the app, and that includes answering questions related to Web3, that is blockchain, Ethereum, all of them. You can answer questions within the app. You can even Google. If you have Google, you can use Google, you can use any other AI in order to answer the questions and get the correct answer and get your CB coins. After accumulating the CB coins, you'll be able to withdraw within the platform in dollars. So you can withdraw them directly to your MetaMask, to your trust wallet, whichever wallet that you have online. So that is the essence of having Cassava Network app within your phone. When it comes to Cassava Network app, the first thing, you can answer questions, you can work in order to accumulate coins. You can also invite your friends to get into the app in order to accumulate coins as well, and then they can also be earning the coins whenever they register. You can also join events and leagues within the app. I think that is also amazing. I talk about them in the previous video that people really loved. Make sure you check it down in the description so that you can catch up with us. Oh, please make sure you watch this till the end because this one is also an important video. Okay, this is an update of the previous video. So after accumulating CB coins within the platform, you need to convert them into dollars, the first thing you can do is to buy a mystery box. We have the mystery box within the app. If you can check wherever there's a mystery box, you'll see people purchasing the mystery box within the app, and the least amount of coins that you need in order to purchase the mystery box is 3,600 coins. You can walk, you can answer questions, anything, and you can accumulate even up to 10,000 coins and then convert them by purchasing mystery boxes. So if you purchase a mystery box, it will convert into dollars and you can withdraw it to your Trust wallet. If you don't have a Trust wallet, make sure you download it right now. I will link it in the description so that you can get directly to the Trust wallet app. In summary, in order to withdraw the money within Cassava Network app, you need to complete the newbie tasks. That is the first thing. The second thing is to buy a mystery box. The third thing you can actually do is to connect your Trust wallet, and that is by going down within the app and clicking on credit, and after that it will display the on-chain and the off-chain. So on the on-chain, you'll check your balance, and there they will display your current balance, and then you're gonna click on the pen icon right there and edit it. When you edit, you're going to be asked to enter to connect your wallet, and you're going to connect your Trust wallet. So you're going to connect your Tether. Once you make a successful transaction, it should look like this, and then what you're going to do is to find a broker within the Trust wallet who is going to transfer us funds through M-Pesa, and then we transfer them dollars through their own Trust wallet. So there is an exchange rate always between the Trust wallet that you can do with someone else, someone you don't even know. Yes, someone you don't even know there. So it's like an AI working between you and the broker, and then the broker can send you the money and they can get you the money to your M-Pesa. So it's always like being verified first. You can trust the entire process. Let this act as a reminder that Cassava Network app is a Web3 platform. So in order to withdraw from Cassava Network app, you need a Web3 app, which is a Trust wallet. You can even connect your MetaMask if you have it. You can connect anything that is connected to Web3 into the platform so that you can withdraw your dollars. So you cannot use your bank, you cannot use direct transfer, you cannot use M-Pesa, you cannot use all those other ways of withdrawing money. You have to use a Web3 platform within the app. Creating a Trust wallet takes like 5 minutes at most. If you want the money, go ahead and create a Trust wallet. It's like your online bank. As you can see, my money is already here with me, and you can do the same on your end. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, if you have anything that is making you ish, if you have any questions regarding Web3 platforms, let me know in the comments so that I'll be able to do a video, a detailed video about the Web3 platforms, and just unveil to you guys how you can withdraw the money also from the Web3 platforms once you accumulate them from Cassava Network, and how then will you get them out of the Trust wallet. Those are the things that I might teach you as well. If you're interested in that kind of video, let me know in the comments so that I can cover everything that you need to know about them. Let's make this clear. If this video gets to 50 likes, I'm going to post a detailed video about the Trust wallet and how you can malinga through the wallet so that you can withdraw your money directly to your M-Pesa. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure you like the video, share the video with your friends so that they can also get here and know more about Cassava Network app. Recommending this video to them so that they can understand the app in more detail is very important. If you want me to do any video about Cassava Network again, let me know in the comments. And of course, I usually upload videos every week, so make sure you stay tuned because your girl is consistent. Clap, clap.